Now you will go to the Start menu. The UM7-CAM icon should be listed with the other programs on your computer. Click on the UM7-CAM icon. When launched, the screen will show a camera window to preview images and a taskbar to execute different functions of the microscope camera. Plug in the USB microscope cable from the camera into your PC USB port. The preview image window will now display the image of the object that is on the camera. If the camera isn't showing an image on the screen, click the Setting button in the upper left-hand corner. Click Input Device and then click on the Digital Microscope Camera button that comes up to the right. Next, we will discuss the taskbar. This is the Connect icon, which allows you to connect and disconnect to a microscope camera. This is the Snapshot icon. Press the button to capture an image from the video preview window. The still image will be displayed in the window. You can also take a snapshot by clicking the white button on the camera cord. To make sure the snapshot is clear, use the focus wheel on the top of the microscope to bring the image into focus. Magnification is determined by the distance of the microscope to the object being viewed. Also, you can adjust the LED light control wheel located on the camera cord to control the amount of light coming through the light source. These options will ensure that the best picture possible is being taken. This is the Save Image icon. Select this option when saving and storing in the image's preview window. When pressed, a screen will pop up. Click on the folder you want the image saved in and rename the file. The image will be saved as a JPEG. This next icon is for the Edit Image functions. Click on the button to enter several options of tools to edit pictures. This is the Delete Image icon. When selected, this will delete the image. To make a video, click the Video Recording icon. It will then prompt you to save the video first. Click on the folder you want the video saved in and rename the file. Once you click the Save button, the USB microscope will begin recording. If the screen remains black after clicking the Save button, you will want to change some of your video settings. You can do this by clicking the Setting button in the upper left-hand corner. Select Video Format. A small screen will appear. Under the Color Space/Compression section, click the drop-down arrow. Instead of using the current video format, click on MJPG. Another video setting you can change is the output size. It is located right under the Color Space and Compression section. The recommended video size is 640 by 480. But if you are having trouble viewing the video, using a smaller output size is an option. Click OK when done. You are now recording a video. To stop recording, click on the Video Recording button again. You will then be able to watch the video by clicking on the icon to your right or by opening the video on your computer in the selected folder. Continuing with the taskbar, this is the Image Process icon. By selecting this tool, it will allow you to use image processing including reversed video, grayscale, black and white, edge detection, and other basic functions. This is the Print Image icon. Select this button when printing images displayed in the preview window. This last icon is the Exit Application icon. By clicking this button, you will exit the application.